If you want to find out what all these pieces together would have looked like, join me live Thursday. Here's just a peek of what else I've found. Another piece of crumpled tin from the industrial. The line is definitely indisputable. Well marked all along with the metal crumple from the cleanup on the bounding woodlot. You can see all the flat area where it's been scraped off. Looks like there might be some more over here further. Oh, yeah, there's some big pieces pushed here. A lot. Amazing how much metal. I'm surprised environmentally it must not have been an issue in the early 1900s. The animals just made their way through there. Let's take a look at this hill. There's a hole down there like a cellar and so many more pieces. So this water hole that's kind of getting filled in must have been used for something years ago. There's more metal over there. I'm not going to crawl through that, kind of it being undermined. I'm going to go on and look at the other side. You always got to be careful so you don't want to twist any ankles. Been there a long time. A long time. Could be something in there like a rabbit. I can't tell. It might be. You can see some white there. You can hear when you step on it. Some beams. More metal crumpled. Square posts. Oh, there's a big piece. Small piece there, but look at this framework over here. Maybe this will give us some more clues. It's like a conveyor rail system. More pieces of it down in there. It's an old burnt tree. More pieces there. But there's another walking. It might be a ladder. Look at that. Oh wow, look at that spike. Oh, there's a handle. Oh, there's some. Where's that? Oh no, that's part of the metal. Right there. Look at this handle. Wheels. And a handle. And a big round wheel there. Look at that wheel. Wow. There's another one. This is going to take a lot more to research. Quite interesting. You can see all the holes that are dug. It could be like a pit of any kind, right? You don't want to get caught in sinkhole. Trees aren't very old here, so it must have been scraped off probably the 80s. And that's where I gotta come through. Almost made it. Once I get to there, it's pretty open.